Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the Luma AI app, a revolutionary tool that transforms your iPhone into a powerful 3D capture device. Whether you're looking to create stunning product videos or a lifelike 3D scenes, Luma AI makes it easy and accessible. Let's get started. To use Luma AI, you will need an iPhone 11 or newer. That app works on older models but requires advanced features for full functionality. The Luma AI app available on the App Store. Head to the App Store and download the Luma 3D Capture app. Open the app and choose what you want to capture, be it a product, landscape, or a moment. Move your phone around the object to capture it from multiple angles. The app uses AI to switch these images together into a 3D model. Once captured, you can edit your 3D model directly in the app, adjust lighting and reflections on enhance realism. After editing, export your 3D model in various formats suitable for platforms like Blender or Unity. You can also create NERFs, neural radiance fields, for high-quality values or visuals. Share your creation on social media or embed them on your website. The app allows easy sharing so your audience can experience your work in stunning 3D. Luma AI opens up a world of possibilities for creators, marketers, and hobbyists alike. With just your iPhone, you can provide or produce high-quality 3D content that stands out in today's digital landscape. Don't forget to join the Luma community or Discord for tips and inspiration. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy creating!